Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Broadway, one of the most beautiful villages here in the Cotswolds. I'll take you on a bit of a walk round and show you what's on offer here. Walking into the far end of the village, we'll take you through, we'll go up the one side and back up the other. We're in the centre part of the village. So there's lots of nice little shops if you want to come shopping. It's spectacular in the winter time, especially at Christmas. We have an amazing light setup here in Broadway. I might come back later, do a bit of filming at Christmas time this year, so hopefully I can bring Hilly along to that one. This is Saturday, by the way, Easter Saturday. So let's go and have a look round. Loads of little shops about. We may have a look in a few when we get to the other end of the village. I'm considering, because it's such a nice day, maybe on the way back, have a little bit of visit to Broadway Tower. Hopefully I can get a ticket. Let's see how we go. This is the Legon Hotel here in Broadway. I'm going to book this later on in the year when we do the light switch on here in Broadway. Be nice to get away for a night. Apparently it's a spa inside as well. Lots of nice little pubs around. In the green area down the back here, they have lots going on in the summer, lots of different events. Nice pub here if you want to come for a nice pint. I do believe at Christmas time, the house at the far back over here, it's the main focal point of the light display. It's all lit up. Absolutely amazing. All these old cottages are lovely. Traditional sweet shop. You don't see many of these about nowadays. Might have to go in there and get some sweets. Maybe for the grandkids or Easter. Nice little hideaway around the back here with a section of shops. I'm actually glad Hilly's not with me with all these shops. She'd be in all these shops spending all my money. Right at the back of all these shops you have the local car park. I managed to park on the main high street. It was free up to 1 hour, so. Headed my way back down through the little shopping arcade here, back to the high street of the village to have a look, see what else is on offer. Loads of little coffee shops on offer. But like I said, I'm heading to Broadway Tower next, so hopefully there'll be somewhere there I could grab a coffee and something to eat. Looks like they're redoing the lawns here, ready for the summer months. I'll head across the road and take you down the other side. I'm definitely gonna booked this hotel up for me and Hilly. It's got great reviews online. Take a look on their website. Absolutely stunning. The League on Arms Spa. You can go in there in the evening as well for a nice meal. I went in there many years ago with Hilly. Such a lovely evening. I love all these old cottagey style houses. They have the fine art exhibition in here. Not a massive village, but like I said, it's one of the most picturesque villages in the Cotswolds. I'm probably going to head back to the car now. I'm heading back to the car like I just said previously. I'm going to go on my phone to see if I can get into Broadway Tower. We'll have a look. If so, I'll take you along. See you soon. Here at Broadway Tower, I managed to get tickets online. It's quite simple. You can book your parking online as well. You can book for 4 hours when we book for the whole day. And your tickets getting into Broadway Tower, you can do it on time slots. My time slot is in 15 minutes time, so we're going to head in. As you come out of the car park, you've got a nice cafe. Let's just stop in there for coffee on the way out, I think. There's a picnic area as well, Tower Museum, shop. There is a nuclear bunker you can visit as well, but I checked online and sadly today it's not available, so maybe I'll come back at a future date to see that. Anyway, let's head in and have a look. I'm assuming I'm going in the right direction. Long windy path. This is the picnic area right here. It's a Saturday today of the Easter weekend. Seems quite quiet actually. Well, look at this, got a nice swing here. Shall I have a go? Feel like a big kid sat here. Amazing views from here. You can see everything. We have arrived. I'm assuming I parked in the right car park because as you come up, there's another car park as well. I parked down by the cafe, down the bottom there. So hopefully I'm in the right place. Over here you've got Tower Barn, cafe and a shop. I'll head in there shortly. We'll go up to the tower this way. I'm assuming it's this way. Here we are, nearly there. It's not that much of a walk really. Quite flat, quite steep in places. Might be a bit challenging if you've got a pushchair or someone with mobility problems. I've made it with 5 minutes to spare with my time slot. Let's go inside and have a look. All right, let's head inside. Seems quite quiet at the moment. This was opened up for the public in 1976. They do give you a guide as well when you come round. a guidebook, and also you can get an audio down there in the gift shop. A video, but it was a long time ago now, many years ago. Let's go up to the next level. We've made it to the top. You can see for miles and miles. Absolutely incredible. They also got here as well. You can go on a bit of a trail, and they got reindeers. They got goats and things like that for the children to see. Lots going on. It's very quiet actually. I actually thought it would be quite busy. Considering the car park's quite busy, there's not actually many people coming to the tower itself. Like I said, there's lots of walks about. Sadly, I haven't got enough time today to go for one of the walks. But maybe another day when Hilly's with me, we can come along and go for a walk. Anyway, I think it's time to head down for a well-deserved coffee. What do you think? Back down to the bottom now, we're in the gift shop. Quite a lot on offer here. Loads of merchandise on offer for Broadway Tower.
Hello. Yeah. Hey. Over there. Hello. No.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Hope you
Bye-bye.
enjoy the rest of
Thank
your day.
you. Head back out now. Time for a coffee break, I think. I do believe when I walked up here, I come the longest way. This way seems a lot easier.
Yeah, you'd be good at the shop, huh? I told you it's a big heavy board. You go like that. Look. And then you can turn like that. And then you have to go.
Nearly at the coffee shop. Broadway Tower was built in 1798, I believe. Very old building. Thoroughly recommend you come and visit it, especially on a nice day today. It was forecast showers today, but looks like I've dodged the showers. So I'm going to head down for a coffee and maybe a cheeky bit of cake. I've gone for a latte and a piece of flapjack. That's this vlog come to an end. Fantastic day. To start with, we went to Broadway Village. Absolutely love that village, been there so many times. I'm hoping to go back there again at Christmas when they do the light switch on. And then I managed, luckily, to get tickets last minute to come to Broadway Tower, which is, again, from the top, it's like incredible views from all over. You can see for miles and miles. And then I finished it off with a nice latte and a piece of flapjack, which was very nice. So guys, I'd really appreciate it if you can give this video a nice thumbs up for me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.